time here at Unique, especially in classics. 1973 Dodge Dart, two-door hardtop, medium green metallic, green vinyl roof and green interior. That's the way this would have been produced back in 1973. 318 underneath the hood. That has been built. We get around to the driver's side. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a look at the engine bay, show you some things underneath there. That's paired up with an automatic transmission with stall converter. Nicely equipped too, power steering, power brakes. AC blows cold. So we take a look at the front hood and paint condition. Shows well on this one. There's a few little spots where there's a couple imperfections, but overall paint definitely shows well on this one. Front disc brakes also, riding on Krager SS chrome wheels. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. You can see the underside, engine bay, interior, very close to 100 pictures of this car online on our website. You can see how straight those panels are. And again, paint condition. Take a little closer peek at the interior. We'll get around to the driver's side and I start it up. As you can see, vinyl roof also in nice shape. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. One of those little imperfections, by the way, mentioned earlier. There's a little spot back here. You can even see that. Very small. Take your time looking at the car. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Let's take a look down the driver's side from the rear to the front. Again, you can see how straight those panels are. And paint does show well. Another thing I wanted to show you, it appears that this has had a rust inhibitor added, probably back when it was new. So these plugs are. Then they would spray the wand inside of those panels. Speaking of panels, door panels look good. Both sides. Vinyl seats free of rips, tears, holes, really much wear at all. Let's take a peek at the headliner. It's good shape. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. So you can hear it run. Remember, AC car, AC blows cold. Little aftermarket tack here in the steering column that does work. Again, automatic with a stall converter. Just so you can see those temp gauge working, oil pressure. Radio did power up for me. Did not get much of a reception. Wipers do work. Horn works. Let's slip around to the back so you can hear this built 318. According to the previous owner, approximately 400 horse. It definitely sounds healthy. Wow. Alright, let me slip up to the front. I'm going to pop this hood a second. Got to get a prop rod needed for this hood, and we'll check out that engine bay. Here we go. Again, 318 and obviously built. We have aluminum heads, Edelbrock, Performer RPM, aluminum heads, headers, like a Holly carb. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, aluminum radiator. Nice looking engine bay. Wow. Like I said, be a fun one for your local shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins. This one will turn some heads with its looks.
Here we have a 1973
MankatoClassicCars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call.